Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Mike and I'm here to go over a little bit about Cordova and the SQLite plugin. Now the SQLite plugin allows us to avoid the limitations of browser-based storage by embedding a full database on our device. Now, while this plugin is very popular, it can be intimidating for first-time users. So to help make this process much easier, we're going to be using the PouchDB library. Let's go over to our terminal and start our live reload server. Now, the app that I have set up is a simple two-page app using PouchDB that allows me to enter data on one page and then have that data be added to our global data store. We can open up our editor and check out the code that makes all of this possible. If we were to go over this code, we can see that we're creating a new database and then handling the data that gets passed from our details page controller. So when we go over to our browser and enter some new data, we can refresh the page and see that the data is persisted. This is because PouchDB is managing the correct storage type for us. But we want to use the native SQLite APIs. So let's go over to our terminal and install the SQLite plugin. We can head back to our editor and navigate to where we instantiated our database. Now, PouchDB lets us pass an adapter option where we can set the type of database that we want to use. In this case, we want WebSQL. We set this to WebSQL because PouchDB has a built-in feature that allows it to detect if it's running inside of a Cordova app. If it is, and the SQLite plugin is installed, it can write to the SQLite database instead of the browser's own database. Let's deploy this to our Android device. We can see from our logs that the database has been created, and these logs are actually coming from the SQLite plugin. So let's go through and add some data to our app. If we exit out our app and close it from the background, when we start the app up again, we can have the data persisted as it's coming from our SQLite database. This is a great option for people who want to be able to develop in the browser, but also not have to worry about a plugin being available.